Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Smart Tech. In this video, I am going to show you the most awaited product for Raspberry Pi 4. Yes, it is strip acrylic case for Raspberry Pi 4 model. You can use this product with any model of Raspberry Pi, that is 1GB, 2GB or 4GB model. Here you can see the beautiful look of the Pi 4 model with black strip acrylic case. Let us see how to start with it. Once you buy the case, it has total 10 layers, 4 color layers and 6 transparent layers including top and bottom layer. It has protective layer on either side of the case, that is brown paper stick on it. It will help our acrylic case to protect from the scratches during transit. Please check the number on one of the corner of each layer, which indicates the position of the layer in the case. Now let's start arranging the layers such that we can easily fit the particular Raspberry Pi on it. So after placing the bottom layer, make sure you are placing the layer number 1. After layer number 1, you need to place the layer number 2. But during the placing of layer number 1 and 2, make sure the knobs or the cut side of the each layer is in a proper direction. At the same time, make sure you are placing the number 1, 2, 3, 4 on one of the side only. It means it must be on numbers of layer must be placed in one of the direction only, one after another. Now after placing the 2 layers, it's in time to place the Raspberry Pi. Make sure the Raspberry Pi memory card slot must be in an appropriate direction as shown in the screen. Now once you place the Raspberry Pi, it's in time to place the layer 3, and one of the most dedicated layer of the strip case is layer 3. You can also see the number mentioned over here. Now place the layer 3 on top of the Raspberry Pi. Remember, after 2 layer you need to put the Raspberry Pi. So as soon as you place the layer 3, now you can go ahead with the layer 4, layer 5, layer 6 and layer 7 and layer 8 as well. Now meanwhile, you can see some of the layers are made up of black color, some of them are made up of transparent color. So friends, complete all the layers one after another. At the same time, make sure the numbering system must be on one of the corner and one after another. After 8 layer, it's in time to place the particular top layer where we have already mounted the fan. The screws are already given, which we have already fixed with the top layer. Connect the fan 2 pin with the appropriate ports on the GPIO and you can fix the top layer. Now to fix the top layer, we have given a black color screw which you can fix it with all the layers in an appropriate position. But before you apply the screw, make sure that you have placed all the layers in a proper position. Just it should not break any of the layers corner or any of the edges of the layer. Now place very smoothly the individual screw. There are 4 screws. Place one by one in each corner and fix the particular nut. Likewise, you need to fix all 4 together, and that is giving you a decent and beautiful look to your Raspberry Pi. I hope this video will give you a better idea how to fix and strip layer case, as it is a quite tricky method to fix all the layers with the Raspberry Pi 4 model. And I hope you will subscribe the channel to get such kind of updates on the technical videos. Thank you.